Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel globalincomeHub.ChatGPT just made making money online easier than it has ever been in human history, and I'm not talking about those fake guru methods. I'm talking about real, legitimate income streams that real people are building right now, using nothing but ChatGPT and a laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly What's up, everyone? how Welcome to do back. it. Step if you're by new step, here, I cover starting real, from zero. no-fluff strategies for building income online. Today's video is all about ChatGPT, the most powerful free tool available to anyone who wants to make money online in 2026. I'm breaking down 7 proven methods, the exact prompts to use, and a realistic income timeline for each one. Grab a notebook because this one is packed. Method 1, freelance writing and copywriting. Method 1 is the fastest way to make your first dollar with ChatGPT, freelance writing and copywriting. Businesses need content every single day. Blog posts, email newsletters, product descriptions, ad copy, landing pages. They need it constantly and they will pay good money for it. Here's how you do it. Go to Upwork or Fiverr. Create a profile offering copywriting or content writing services. When a client orders, use ChatGPT to draft the content, then edit it to match the client's brand voice. Deliver polished, professional work in a fraction of the time it would take to write from scratch. The prompt to use in ChatGPT. Write a 1,000-word SEO blog post about topic for a type of business. Use a friendly conversational tone. Include an intro, 5 subheadings, and a conclusion with a call to action. Charge $50 to $200 per article. Do 1 article per day, and that is $1,500 to $6,000 per month. This is the fastest path to your first $1,000 online. Method 2. Sell digital products. Method 2 is my personal favorite for passive income. Selling digital products made with ChatGPT. Here is the beauty of digital products. You make them once and sell them forever. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service headaches. What can you create with ChatGPT? eBooks on any topic, business templates, resume and cover letter packs, social media caption bundles, meal plans and fitness guides, study guides and cheat sheets. ChatGPT prompt packs themselves. Here is how to do it. Pick a niche. Ask ChatGPT. Write a detailed 20-page ebook about topic broken into chapters with actionable tips. Format it in Canva or Google Docs. Upload it to Gumroad, Etsy, or PayHip. Set the price between $7 and $47. Run Pinterest or TikTok traffic to it. One well-made ebook on Etsy can earn $500 to $3,000 per month completely passively. Create 5 of them and you are looking at a serious income stream. Method 3. YouTube scriptwriting service. Method 3 is one of the most in-demand services right now. YouTube scriptwriting. YouTube creators are desperate for good scripts. Most of them have the camera presence and the editing skills, but they hate writing. That is where you come in. Use ChatGPT to write full video scripts for creators in any niche. Finance, lifestyle, tech, fitness, gaming, every niche needs scripts. The prompt to use: write a YouTube video script about topic for a niche channel. Include a strong hook, engaging storytelling, section transitions, and a call to action at the end. Make it 8 to 10 minutes long when spoken aloud. Charge $75 to $300 per script. Land 5 clients who each want 2 scripts per month. That is $750 to $3,000 per month from script writing alone. Post samples on Twitter, LinkedIn, and Reddit to find your first clients for free. Method 4. Social media management. Method 4 is one of the most scalable businesses you can build. Social media management powered by ChatGPT. Small businesses and personal brands need consistent content on Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, and TikTok. Most of them have absolutely no time to create it. You become their content team, and ChatGPT is your secret weapon. Here is what you offer. A monthly content package, 30 captions per month, hashtag research, content calendar, and post scheduling. Charge $500 to $1,500 per client per month. Use ChatGPT prompts like, Create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a type of business. Include post ideas, captions, and relevant hashtags for each day. With just 5 clients, you are making $20,500 to $7,500 per month. And because ChatGPT handles the writing, you can manage all 5 clients in just a few hours per week. Method 5. Amazon KDP, self-publishing. Method 5 is one of the most underrated long-term income streams. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, also known as KDP. You use ChatGPT to write short books, notebooks, journals, and low-content books, then publish them on Amazon. Amazon handles printing, shipping, and customer service. You just collect royalties. What sells well on Amazon KDP right now? Self-help books, how-to guides, journals, planners, puzzle books, children's stories, and niche recipe books. The prompt to use: write a short self-help book about topic. Include an introduction, 7 chapters with actionable advice, and a conclusion. Write in a warm, encouraging tone. Format the book in Google Docs, design a cover in Canva, and upload to kdp.amazon.com for free. Earn 35 to 70% royalties on every sale. Publish 10 to 20 books and you can realistically earn $1,000 to $5,000 per month in passive royalties. The more you publish, the more you earn. Method 6. ChatGPT Consulting. Method 6 is the highest paying method on this list. ChatGPT Consulting. Right now, businesses are desperate to understand how to use AI to save time and make more money. They will pay premium prices for someone to show them how. You become the AI consultant. You walk into businesses, online or locally, and show them how to use ChatGPT to automate their emails, customer responses, content creation, and internal processes. You do not need to be a developer or a tech genius. You just need to know ChatGPT better than your client does, which after watching this video you already do. Charge $500 to $2,000 per consulting session or $1,500 to $5,000 per implementation project. Start with local small businesses. Offer a free 30-minute discovery call. Show them one quick win using ChatGPT live on the call. Close the deal. 1 or 2 consulting clients per month covers most people's full-time income. Method 7. Faceless YouTube channel. Method 7 is the biggest long-term play on this list. Building a faceless YouTube channel using ChatGPT. You never show your face. You never record your voice. ChatGPT writes the scripts. 11 Labs generates the voiceover. Canva or stock footage provides the visuals. CapCut handles the editing. Pick a niche: finance tips, AI news, history facts, motivational content, true crime. Use ChatGPT to write a script. Write a YouTube script about topic that is educational, engaging, and 8 minutes long when read aloud. Generate the voiceover, add stock footage, add captions, upload to YouTube. Do this consistently, 3 to 5 videos per week, and within 4 to 6 months you can hit monetization. Once monetized, a channel in a good niche earns $2 to $10 per 1,000 views in ad revenue. Add affiliate links and sponsorships, and you are looking at $3,000 to $15,000 per month from a channel where you never appeared on camera once. Realistic income timeline. Let me give you a real honest timeline so you know what to expect. Month 1 and 2. Learning, setting up, landing your first client, or making your first sale. Income between $0 and $300. Do not quit here. Month 3 and 4. You have systems in place. You are getting better results. Income between $500 and $2,500 per month. Month 5 and 6. Momentum kicks in. Referrals come in. Old content starts ranking. Income between $1,500 and $5,000 per month. Month 7 and beyond. You scale what is working. You outsource what you can. Income grows to $5,000 to $15,000 per month and beyond. The people making serious money with ChatGPT are not smarter than you. They just started earlier and stayed consistent longer. So there you have it. 7 real ways to make money online using ChatGPT in 2026. Pick one method, go all in for 90 days, and I promise you will see results. Your action steps right now. Open ChatGPT, pick the method that excites you most, and run your first prompt today. That is it. Just start. If you want a deep dive video on any of these methods, comment the number below, 1 through 7, and whichever gets the most votes becomes my next video. Like this video if it helped you, subscribe my YouTube channel Global Income Hub so you never miss a strategy. Thanks for watching.